Affordable vacation explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very exciting topic that many of you have asked about. What exactly is an affordable vacation? Whether you're planning your next getaway or just dreaming about one, understanding this concept can make a huge difference. So, let's break it down together. First things first, let's talk about what affordable means. In the simplest terms, something that is affordable is something that you can pay for without breaking the bank. It means managing your expenses in a way that you can comfortably handle without going into debt or sacrificing your other financial obligations. When we apply this to vacations, an affordable vacation is one that fits nicely within your budget. A vacation involves several components, each with its own costs. Transportation, getting to and from your destination, whether by plane, train, or automobile. Accommodation, where you'll stay, such as hotels, hostels, or rental homes. Food and dining, eating out, groceries if you're self-catering, or special dinners. Activities and entertainment, tours, museum tickets, shows, or outdoor adventures. Miscellaneous expenses, souvenirs, emergency funds, and unexpected costs. Understanding these components is crucial in planning an affordable vacation because it helps you identify where you can save money. 1. Early planning and booking. Often, booking your flights and accommodations early can save you a significant amount of money. 2. Budgeting. Create a detailed budget that includes all possible expenses. This helps avoid surprises. 3. Off-season travel. Traveling during the off-season can dramatically reduce costs for flights and accommodations. 4. Alternative accommodations. Consider staying in hostels, vacation rentals, or even camping instead of expensive hotels. 5. Local eating and free activities. Choose to eat where locals do, which is often cheaper and more authentic. Also, look for free activities to enjoy in your destination. An affordable vacation is not just about spending less money. It's about making memories without financial stress. It allows you to enjoy your time off fully, knowing you won't return to a pile of debt. Moreover, it teaches valuable budgeting and planning skills, encouraging more sustainable travel habits. We hope this video has shed some light on what an affordable vacation is and how you can plan one for yourself or your family. Remember, the essence of a vacation is to relax and recharge, and it shouldn't come at the cost of your financial well-being. With the right planning and some savvy saving tips, you can enjoy a wonderful getaway that won't leave your wallet empty. Thank you for watching, and we hope you'll have an amazing and affordable vacation soon.